moment when you trade for something and you have this on the back of your expedition. Hi, honey. What do you think of it? Nice, isn't it?
God, let them decide. How about that?
So when I was younger, which is a long time ago, these boats were awesome. What the hell did I just do? How do you own such a beautiful boat and the boat just goes to hell? This thing was in tall ass weeds. Look at the rim. Look, it was buried. The guy goes, yeah, you can have the, oh yeah, it's really bad. There's the engine. There's the interior, the seats are all there. What am I doing with this thing? Well, I don't know yet. So this is all I've got to say. Is if you look at my shadow, just go, what did I just get myself into? Jeff Spicoli, Fast Times at Ridgemont High, would say, dude, my dad's got an awesome set of tools. He's a TV repairman. He can fix it. Look at how buried. I should have taken a picture in the grass. Look at how buried the rim was. Oh my God, brand new bearings, brand new tires. Guy brought it home from Miami and he's got the engine for it. $300. I don't know. See ya. What do you think, hon? What do you think of it? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I'm getting an uh-huh.